The allure of Lagerstroemia subcostata, a gardener's guide. As a botanist with a penchant for captivating flora, I've always been drawn to unique and visually arresting trees. That's precisely why Lagerstroemia subcostata, also known as the Taiwan crepe myrtle, has become a recent obsession. This deciduous wonder boasts a captivating combination of features that elevate any landscape. This article delves into the world of Lagerstroemia subcostata, a must-have for any discerning gardener. We'll explore its characteristics, care requirements, and ideal planting companions, transforming you into a Lagerstroemia subcostata aficionado. Lagerstroemia subcostata hails from the captivating landscapes of Japan, Taiwan, China, and the Philippines. Unlike its flamboyant cousin, the crepe myrtle, Lagerstroemia indica, the Taiwan crepe myrtle offers a more understated yet equally delightful charm. Its delicate, crinkled white flowers with a hint of fragrance bloom gracefully from late summer to autumn. These blooms are arranged in airy panicles, adding a touch of elegance to any garden. But the magic doesn't stop there. As the seasons change, the foliage transforms into a fiery tapestry of yellow, orange, and red before gracefully cascading to the ground. But perhaps the most captivating feature of Lagerstroemia subcostata is its bark. Mature trees develop a spectacular peeling bark in shades of gray-brown and maroon, adding a touch of rustic charm throughout the year. The bark even has a tendency to become hollow, creating a unique textural element that sparks conversation. How to care for Lagerstroemia subcostata. Adding a Lagerstroemia subcostata to your garden is a rewarding experience. Here's how to ensure your new tree thrives. Sun seeker, this beauty basks in the warmth of the sun. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil savvy, well-drained, slightly acidic soil is ideal. If your soil is heavy clay, consider amending it with sand or compost to improve drainage. Watering wisdom. Water your Lagerstroemia subcostata regularly, especially during its first year. As the tree matures, it becomes more drought-tolerant. Feeding frenzy. A balanced fertilizer applied during the growing season can encourage healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Pruning prowess. While not strictly necessary, light pruning in late winter or early spring can help maintain the tree's desired shape and encourage bushier growth. Where to find your Lagerstroemia subcostata? Finding a Lagerstroemia subcostata might require a bit more effort compared to its more common cousin, the crepe myrtle. However, the hunt is well worth the reward. Here are some tips. Specialized nurseries. Nurseries specializing in rare or unusual plants are your best bet. Online retailers. Several online retailers offer Lagerstroemia subcostata, although selection might be limited. Plant societies. Consider joining plant societies or online forums dedicated to rare trees. Members often share knowledge and resources for acquiring unique specimens. Complementary companions for your Lagerstroemia subcostata. Lagerstroemia subcostata plays well with others. Here are some plants that complement its beauty. Evergreen shrubs. Evergreen shrubs like azaleas or camellias provide a lush backdrop for the Lagerstroemia subcostata's seasonal display. Ornamental grasses. The swaying forms of ornamental grasses like maiden grass add a touch of movement and texture to the composition. Spring-blooming bulbs. Plant spring-blooming bulbs like daffodils or tulips at the base of the tree for a burst of color early in the season. By carefully selecting companion plants, you can create a garden vignette that celebrates the unique charm of Lagerstroemia subcostata throughout the year. The allure endures. Lagerstroemia subcostata is more than just a tree. It's a conversation starter, a seasonal spectacle, and a testament to the captivating diversity of the plant world. With its delicate blooms, fiery foliage, and captivating bark, this tree is sure to become a treasured focal point in your garden. So, embark on your Lagerstroemia subcostata adventure and discover the magic this unique tree has to offer.